Good afternoon, students. Online students, am I audible to you? Just write yes in comment. कोई ना, इसमें वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा होगा ना, इसका वाईफाई बंद होगा, इससे देख लूंगा मैं कमेंट. Online students, if I'm audible to you, just write yes in comment. Yes, okay. लाइट आएगी तो हो जाएगा. So today we have our theme based lecture 7, where I discuss question from the miscellaneous topic. Like one type I have covered from time, speed, distance, which is one of the favorite type. Some of the question from profit and loss, some of the question from number system, HCM and LCM. And there is a concept of like frog concept. Like, or a monkey, in the day, like monkey climbed 10 meter, night slipped down 5. 10 meter up, 5 down, 10 up, 5 down. So then they give a certain distance, like how much total time or how many days it will take to climb the top. So that type of questions also we will discuss. So I start with this question number 1. As far as the cutoff, like in the full length test 20 or that final test, if your score is 67 plus, okay. If it is below 67, then you have to work like on weak areas and other area. So I will say 67 plus you need. Question number 1, excluding stoppage, the speed of a bus is 54 km per hour, and including stoppage, it is 45 km per hour. For how many minutes does the bus stop per hour? So here idea is, if there is no stoppage, so then the speed maintained by bus is 54 km in 1 hour. If there is no stoppage, then this bus can cover 54 km in 1 hour. But generally what happen, there are red light, there are stoppages. See, might be like when you drive, you will see your car is showing speed of 90 and you have to cover 360 km, and you will find it is not 4 hours, you have taken more than 4 hours because you have wasted time in between because of the stoppage. So because of stoppage, you are able to cover only 45 km per hour. Excluding stoppage, you would have covered 54 km in 1 hour, but because of stoppage, this bus has covered only 45 km in 1 hour. How many minutes does the bus stop per hour? It is asked. So I give you two methods. One is like concept I will explain. Second, I tell you a shortcut for this type of question. See here, if there is no stoppage, means excluding stoppage, online student, I tell you like there is a power cut because of rain outside. तो अभी हम इन्वर्टर पे काम कर रहे हैं. It will work for 1 hour most probably. ठीक है. अगर बीच में क्लास बंद हो जाए, फड़फड़ाना नहीं है. It is, we are running this class on power back. So here, excluding stoppage, a speed of a bus is 54 km per hour. So if there is no stop, so in 1 hour, what we can cover? 54 km. If there is no stop, then it is given including stoppage. we are able to cover only 45 kilometer in 1 hour, because in between we have wasted time because of stop. So now here what we will do, यहाँ पे एक चीज ऑब्जर्व करना. See here, generally what happen, this driver is driving this bus for 10 minutes, then there is a stop of 2 minutes, then 10-15 minute run, then stop, then run, then stop. ठीक है. But we have setting with the driver. हमने ड्राइवर को बोला भाई what you do, you need some stoppage. Okay, fine. या तो पहले ले ले या बाद में ले ले. Either in the starting only you take break, or in the last you take a break. But keep on driving in a stretch. Like might be in a day you read for 1 hour, then 15-minute break. Then you study for 2 hours, then 20-25-minute break. Then you study for further 2 hours, then 2-hour break. So one day what you are doing, in a stretch you are studying, and in a stretch you are taking break. Rather than having break in between, we can have a single stretch of driving and single stretch of break. Okay. So here, if there is no stoppage, what is the speed of the bus? 54 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed can be maintained by the bus? 54 kilometer per hour. But in 1 hour, it is able to cover only 45 kilometer because it is not running for entire 60 minutes. It is running for X minute, Y minute is because of stoppage. ये जो बस है ये X मिनट रन कर रही है, Y मिनट स्टॉपेज की वजह से वेस्ट हो रहा है. So that's why able to cover only 45 kilometer. Now at a speed of 54 kilometer per hour, step number 2, tell me to cover 45 kilometer, how much time you will take? 45 kilometer distance upon speed at a speed of 54 kilometer per hour, how much time you will take? 5/6 hour. We will convert this in minute. 5/6 into 60, so it is 5 into 10, 50 minute is the driving time. Speed तो that driver has maintained a speed of 54 only. See, दो चीजें हैं इसमें. You try to understand. When driver is driving, speed 54. When stop, speed 0. अच्छा, इसमें एलिगेशन भी बता पाऊंगा. ठीक है, गुड. I tell you 3 methods. Method 1, what is the speed of the bus? 54 kilometer in 1 hour when it is driving, or when driver is driving the bus. And when stop, speed is 0. Because of stoppage, we are able to cover only 45 kilometer in 1 hour because we are not continuously driving for 60 minutes. Whenever we drive at this speed. जब drive कर रहे हैं तो इसी speed पे कर रहे हैं. But since there are some time we have wasted because of stoppage, we are able to cover only 45 kilometer. So my point is, for how many minutes we are driving, if we are covering only 45 kilometer, so it is 45 by 54, 5/6. It means 50 minutes is the driving time, 10 minutes is the stoppage time within 1 hour. क्योंकि actual distance covered 45. What is the speed actually while driving? हम finding कि driving का time कितना है. यहाँ पे लिख लो time for driving. दो तरह के टाइम है, एक ड्राइविंग का, एक स्टॉपेज का. आई एम कवरिंग ओनली 45 किलोमीटर. जब डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड विल गिव यू टाइम. 5/6 hour means 50 minutes is the driving time, so it means 10 minutes is the stoppage time. Method number 2 is a shortcut, because might be like here this concept. Okay, method number 2 is a shortcut. You write in this type of question, where excluding stoppage or including stoppage, there are 2 type of speeds are given. तो इसमें लिखना है more speed minus less speed divided by more speed. More speed minus less speed divided by more speed. What is the most speed? 54 kilometer per hour. What is the less speed? 45. What is the more speed? 54. So it will come 9 by 54, which is 1 by 6. But don't say it is 1 by 6 minute, it is 1 by 6 hour. You have to convert this in minute. 1 by 6 into 60. So it is 10 minute is the stoppage time. If you are able to recall this formula, more speed minus less speed upon more speed, you will find the time of stoppage. जितने टाइम आपकी बस खड़ी रही. Method 3 is alligation. Alligation is used where we have mixture of two things. Can we say there is a mixture of two speed while driving and while stoppage? Driving के time पे what is the speed of the bus? 54. And during the stoppage, what is the speed of the bus? 0. And because of the mixture, driving and stoppage, what is the speed there? 45. So here your mixed speed is coming 45. So we apply alligation. 54 minus 45 is 9. 45 minus 0 is 45. Your ratio is 5:1. 5x time is while driving. 1x time is of stoppage. 5:1 is the ratio of driving and stoppage. अगर आप 50 मिनट ड्राइव कर रहे हो तो 10 मिनट आप स्टॉपेज पे वेस्ट कर रहे हो. तो व्हाट इज द स्टॉपेज टाइम? 1/6 of total time. Total time 60 minutes. So in 1 hour, how many minutes we have spent on stoppage? 10 minutes. So this is alligation we can apply. Next is question number 2. It's up to you. If you want to use alligation, you can use. If you want to use this formula, you can use. If you want to use a concept, actually like what distance you cover? 45 at a speed of 54. So for how many minutes you are driving? 50 minutes. What is the stoppage time? 10 minutes. Quickly take your time for question number 2. Excluding stoppage, speed of a bus is 80 km per hour. Including stoppage, it is 60 km per hour. For how many minutes does the bus stop per hour? More speed minus less speed upon more speed. So question number 2, more speed is 80, less speed is 60, divided by 80. This is 20 by 80, which is 1/4 into 60. It is 15 minutes. Does the bus stop per hour? 15 minutes. Next is I take one question from profit and loss. If you recall profit and loss chapter, it is given a shopkeeper sells 2 articles at same price. If he sell 1 article, if you recall, I told you a special type where selling price of 2 articles is same. On one there is a X% profit, on another there is a X% loss. And this is a favorite. Selling price of 2 articles same. On one there is a X% profit, on another there is a X% loss. Then there will be overall loss, that is X square upon 100%. But I discussed this in detail where we have profit and loss percentage are different, or maybe both profit, both loss. Chances are less, but since these are miscellaneous question we are discussing, so we will work on that. Like question number 3, a shopkeeper sells 2 articles at the same price. If he sell one at a profit of 20%, other at a loss of 10%, find his actual profit or loss. Okay, read question, try to understand. तब तक मैं कॉफी पी लेता हूँ, ये ना हो मैं कॉफी पीता रह जाऊं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ये BSCS वाले चला पाएंगे अब तो, पावर गई हुई है बैकअप पे, बस हमने 2-3 पेन ही करे हुए हैं. कबूतर ना आ जाए अंदर. राजेश को भेजियो है, भेज, तू आ जा. इसको ऊपर करके खिड़की खोलनी है. Now here question is, a shopkeeper sells 2 articles at the same price. If he sell one at a profit of 20%, other at a loss of 10%, find his actual profit or loss percentage. एक उस वाली भी खिड़की खोल दे, उनमें से पीछे से एक की. See, when the selling price of 2 articles same, either it is profit on both, loss on both, one profit, one loss. Where value is not same, we have a formula. If you are able to recall, okay. Otherwise, if this type of question asked, you can take a chance to leave, or you can use answer option if you want. You write 100 bracket x plus y plus 2xy upon 200 plus x plus y percent. 100 bracket start x plus y plus 2xy, 200 plus x plus y percent. Value of x and y depend on the question. If both are profit, then we'll take both positive. If profit positive, if loss minus. If one is profit, so we will take x positive. If one is loss, we will take y negative. Like in our question number 3, it is mentioned, a shopkeeper sells 2 articles at same price. If he sell one at a profit of 20%, other at a loss of 10%. So what we will do, 100, profit of 20 is plus 20, loss of 10 is minus 10. Plus 2 into 20 into minus 10 upon 200 plus 20 minus 10%. So this is plus 20 minus 20, 10, 100 into 10, 1000. This is 2 into 20, 40, 40 into 10, 400, plus minus minus 400. This is 220 minus 10 is 210%. So it will be 600 upon 210%, 10 cancel. This is 20 by 7, which is approximately 2.87% profit. If it is positive profit, if it is negative loss. बट एजम्पशन में क्या होगा, व्हाट यू एज्यूम, कॉस्ट प्राइस और सेलिंग प्राइस. हाँ तो फिर प्रॉफिट किसके ऊपर करोगे, और दूसरे वाले का. हाँ हाँ, कॉस्ट प्राइस सेम लिया ना, बट क्वेश्चन से सेलिंग प्राइस इज सेम. Getting the point? Question is selling price of two article is same, not cost price. If cost price is given, then it is easier. Question is not cost price is same. Question is selling price is same. See, I tell you, if they say selling price of two article is same, on one either profit, loss or profit and loss percentage value are different, then you have to use this formula. Because alternate method will be double time consuming. उससे ज़्यादा difficult है. Let me tell you, क्योंकि अभी last moment चल रहा है, I will not complicate the thing. If देखो only 1% chances this type of question will be asked. From this type, 99% chances they will say 10% profit, 10% loss, 20% profit, 20% loss, 30% profit, 30% loss. In that case, minus x square upon 100%, which is easy, which all of you can handle. But if in case they will say 10% profit, 20% loss, 30% profit, 20% loss, they give different value. Then if in case you are able to recall formula, you attempt this, otherwise you can skip that question. Now here we try question number 4. A shopkeeper sells two articles at same price. If he sell one at a profit of 30%, other at a loss of 20%, find his actual profit or loss. On one there is a 30% profit, on another there is a 20% loss. It is our selling price of two articles same. So what is overall profit or loss percentage we have to find. So what you do, 100 in bracket plus 30 minus 20, 2xy, 30 minus 20, this is 200 plus 30 minus 20%. This is 10, 100 into 10, 1000, 2 into 30, 60, 60, this is minus 1200 upon 210. It is minus 200 upon 210, approximately less than 1% loss. Okay, answer option will help you. There will be a loss, but it will be less than 1%. Because 200 upon 210, 20 by 21. 20 by 21 is 0.95 something. ठीक है, तो nearly 1% loss. Less than 1%, but near to 1%. Next is, there is one more type. A reduction of 10% in the price of apple enable a dealer to purchase 25 kg more apple for rupees 22,500. What is the reduced price per kg of apple? It is also favorite type in aptitude. Favorite type in aptitude. You can use answer option. I have not given, but you can use, or you can use simple equation, or I tell you a shortcut. A reduction of some certain percentage enable you to get some extra quantity in this much amount. इस तरह का क्वेश्चन होगा. Reduction of 10% in the price of banana enable you to get 1 dozen extra in 180 rupees. Miscellaneous last class में discuss किया था. A reduction of 10% in the price of apple enable a dealer to purchase 25 kg more apple for rupees 22,500. Find the reduced price per kg of apple. And if they ask the exactly same thing, they will ask the reduced price only. They will ask the reduced price. There is a shortcut. We can find direct reduced price. What you have to do? In this question, what is the reduction given? 10%. Vivek Tanwar, sir, I sold, let selling price 100. ठीक है, हाँ, हमने क्लास में एक चीज डिस्कस की थी ना, ए बॉय और ए गर्ल बाय मिस्टेक कैलकुलेटेड प्रॉफिट ऑन सेलिंग प्राइस. ठीक है, एग्जाम के 25 दिन बचे हैं और आप वो गलती कर रहे हो, विवेक और आपने 20% 100 के लिया, सेलिंग प्राइस 100 माना है, So you have taken 20% of selling price. Profit and loss are never calculated on selling price. Profit and loss are always calculated on cost price. अब 20% 100 का मानोगे, 100 इंक्लूड 20% itself. हाँ, वो डेसिमल में आएगा डेसिमल में आएगा. कर सकते हो because alternate method is assumption only. That's why I told you assumption method will be more time consuming. Now here question number 5, a reduction of 10%. क्या क्या दिया है? Reduction of 10% in the price of apple enable a dealer to purchase 25 kg more apple for rupees 22,500 in the amount 22,500 rupees. Okay. They will give three things: reduction percentage, extra quantity, and the total amount. Shortcut for this is this 10% of this amount enable you to get this kg extra apple. Because of 10% reduction, you are able to get 20 kg extra apple. So what you have to do, step number 1, you calculate what is 10% of this amount. 10% of 22,500, it is 2,250. 10% of 22,500 is 2,250 rupees. Logically, if you think because of this amount, you are able to get 25 kg extra apple. You are getting 25 kg apple because of 10% reduction. What is 10% of the amount? 2000. इतनी amount में आपको 25 kg apple मिले. Step number 2, what you do, you equate. So the reduced price of 25 kg of apple will be this. It will the reduction के बाद you are able to get 25 kg extra apple in this much amount. Price of 25 kg apple is equal to 10% of this amount. लिख लो, ऐसा लिख लो. Reduce price of 25 kg apple is actually equal to 10% of total amount. So it means reduced price of 25 kg is 2,250. What is the reduced price of 1 kg is 2,250 divided by 25. 25 9s are 225. So 90 rupees per kg is the reduced price of the apple. It is a favorite type and there is a direct method. I repeat, 10% reduction enable you to get 25 kg more apple in this much rupees. So it means the reduced price of 25 kg is equal to 10% of this amount. So here 25 kg costs you rupees 2,250. So the price of 1 kg will be 90 rupees. You try same concept in the next question. A reduction of 20% in the price of sugar enable a dealer to purchase 5 kg extra sugar in rupees 2,000. So what you do, you find 20% of 2,000 and equate that with the price of 5 kg. Reduce price of 5 kg of sugar. इसका सॉल्यूशन ये होगा, reduce price of 5 kg of sugar is equal to 20% of 2,000. So what is 20% of 2,000? 400. What is the reduced price of 1 kg sugar? 400 by 5, 80 rupees per kg. But you have to be careful, here we get the reduced price. and if they ask the same style question, they will ask reduced price. Okay, next type is लिख लो, आईएएस के एग्जाम में आएगा। एज ए स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन मैं ये भी पंच नहीं मार सकता। एक आया था कहाँ पे, हमारे लिए मैटर क्या कर रहा है? कोचिंग में टॉप नहीं करना भाई, चाहे वो आईएएस सेतु हो चाहे कोई और कोचिंग हो। हम खुश जब होंगे जब हमारा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आएगा। बट टेस्ट अच्छा बना था, बना नहीं था, बनाया था। नाउ नेक्स्ट, in self revision handout I have given this type of question, so I included some extra type of LCM and HCM in theme based lecture as well. Find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91, 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. So here 43 will give the same remainder, 91 will also give the same remainder, 183 also give the same remainder. Okay, see, we have to find the greatest number which on dividing 43, 91, 183 give the same remainder. In this type of question, there is a concept. We will take difference of first and second number, second and third number. So what you do? 91 minus 43. And here 183 minus 91. What is 91 minus 43? कितना? 48. What is 183 minus 91? 92. Then step number 2, we have to find the greatest number which can divide. जब भी can divide होएगा, we are looking for HCF. So we have to find what is HCF of 48 and 92. ये easy है, तो here we can use factorization method. We take 4 common, 12 and 23. After that we don't have any other common factor, so it means the greatest number which on dividing 43, 91, 183 leaves the same remainder is 4. Leave the same remainder is 4. You can check. When you divide 43 by 4, your remainder is 3. When you divide 91 by 4, your remainder is 3. When you divide 183 by 4, here also your remainder is 3, and 4 is the greatest number. We don't have greater than 4 which is giving the same remainder in each case. So what you have to do, the greatest number that will divide 43, 91, 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. 43 will give the same remainder R, 91 also give the same remainder R, 183 also give the same remainder R. Where value of R is not given and it is a HCF type of question, what you have to do, you have to take difference of first and second number, you have to take difference of second and third number, and you have to take HCF of these two differences. It is a favorite type. Okay, if you want to cram, देखो there are certain type which you can cram also. तो इसको कर सकते हो cram कि अगर इस तरह का question होगा, you have to take the difference, then you have to take HCF. Similarly, we have next question. हाँ, आंसर ऑप्शन से भी कर सकते हो. Yes, that is really good. बढ़िया, आंसर ऑप्शन से चेक कर लो. आंसर ऑप्शन दिया है 4, 7, 9, 13. You can check from 4, 4, 4. 4 is the greatest number which give the same remainder in each the case. But in some of the case, examiner is smarter than us. Next question में जैसे फिर क्या होता? फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकंड नंबर, थर्ड नंबर, फोर्थ नंबर. वैसे तो मुझे इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं. आई हैव टू टेक डिफरेंस, आई हैव टू टेक एचसीएफ. तो नहीं, फिर तीनों का डिफरेंस लेके उनका एचसीएफ लेना होगा. You have to take difference of first and second number. You have to take difference of second and third number. You have to take difference of third and fourth number. Then you have to find HCF of this difference. Question number 8. Here same style but answer option will not help. Why? N is the greatest number that will divide 1305, 4665, 6905, leaving the same remainder in each case. The sum of the digit in n is. They are not asking n. They are asking find n, then find the sum of the digit of n. Here you should know the concept. यहाँ answer option भी नहीं help करेंगे. So what we will do? We have number 1305, we have number 4665, and after that we have number 6905. We take the difference. 5 minus 5 0, 6, 6 minus 3 3, 4 minus 1 3. Take the difference. 5 minus 5 0, 10 minus 6 4, 8 minus 6 2, 6 minus 4 2. Then you have to find HCF of this bigger number. I told you when we have bigger number, for HCF division method is the best. So we use division method. 3360. We try to divide 2240. This is 2240. We get 1120. This is 2240. 2240. So what is your HCF? 112. So 112 is your N. 112 is the greatest number which on dividing this three number give the same remainder, but they are not asking n. 1120, they are asking what is the sum of the digit of 1120. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0, we get 4. Sum of the digit 4. Next is question number 9. This type of question we have discussed in the classes. The product of two number is 4107. If their HCF is 37, find the greatest number. So you can use answer option. We know HCF Bhagwan hai. First number is a multiple of HCF. Second number is a multiple of HCF. Even the LCM is multiple of HCF. We will see out the given number which is a multiple of 37. 111. 111 is the answer for question number 9. If your HCF is 37, your number has to be multiple of 37. Even the LCM also has to be multiple of 37. Question number 10. Here you can use answer option. खुला रहने दो इसको गेट को. The least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves a remainder 3. What when divided by 9 leaves remainder? No remainder is. वो वाली खिड़की भी खोल दे उस तरफ वाली. See here, when you divide by 5, 6, 7, 8, remainder 3. When you divide by 9, remainder 0. So it means we are looking for number which is exactly divisible by 9. तो पहले वही चेक कर लो. Out of the given answer option, the number which is exactly divisible by 9. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21. So first number is not divisible by 9. Second number, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 3, 18. Yes. Then 2, 5, 2, 3. 9 plus 3, 12. No. See, if you check out of the answer option, रहने दो बस वो रहने दो. Out of the given answer option, there is only one answer option which is exact multiple of 9. Otherwise, if you ask me the concept is least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves a remainder 3. It means LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8. What is LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8? We will find, take 2 common, 5, 3, 7, 4. After that, you cannot take any other common factor. 10, 30, 210. So it is 840 multiple plus 3. Any number which is in this form, multiple of 840 plus 3 remainder will satisfy your first condition. 843, 1680, 840 plus 3, 1680 plus 3, 2520 plus 3 and so on. पहली condition 840 LCM when divided by 5, when divided by 6, when divided by 7, when divided by 8. Okay, when we divide by 5, what are divisible by 5? Multiple of 5, multiple of 6, multiple of 7, multiple of 8. So LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8. But here they are not asking exactly divisible by 5, 6, 7, 8. They are looking for remainder 3 also. So it means our number has to be multiple of 840 plus 3 as a remainder. सिर्फ डिविजिबल नहीं बोल रहा, 3 रिमाइंडर भी चाहिए, एंड रिमाइंडर वी हैंडल इन द लास्ट स्टेप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Three number which are co-prime to each other are such that product of first two is 551 and that of the last two is 1073. Sum of the three number is. Same question I have already discussed. I told you the concept behind this question, and I think I told you this thing also, कि you will get the similar concept, maybe number may differ. कह रहा है कि three number which are co-prime to each other are such that the product of first two is 551 and the last two is 1073. I take first number A, second number B, third number C. So product of first two, A into B is 551. Product of last two, B into C is 1073. What is common? B, and that is the highest common factor here. So what is the concept in this type of question? You have to find HCF of the given number. Since these number are bigger, how we can find HCF? By using division method. जब number बड़े होते हैं, division method is the best. 1073 we divide by 551. 3 minus 1 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, this is 5. Then 551, 522. 11 minus 2 is 9, 4 minus 2 is 2, this is 522. If you check, it will be exactly divisible. So it means 29 is HCF of these two number, which is B. So you get value of second number is 29. Then you can find A, then you can find C. Tell me how you can find A. Because product of two number is 551. Put the value of B, you get the value of A. So can we say what will be A? A will be 551 divided by 29. What will be C? C will be 1073 divided by 29. Then you add. Find A. Take your time and find C. Okay, A. What is A? 37. Second, another number? 19. It will come 19. A will come 19. It will come 37. They ask what is the sum? You add. It will come, I think, 85. Okay, next question number 12. "21 mangoes tree, 42 apple tree, 56 orange tree have to be planted in rows such that each row contain the same number of tree of one variety only." Same number of trees of one variety. You write of there. Of one variety only. Minimum number of rows in which the above tree may be planted is. Take your time. I give you 1.5 minutes for this question. Think what will be applicable. LCM और HCF. ठीक है, अपना दिमाग लगाओ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? 3 + 6 9, 9 + 8 17. क्या आंसर आया? 7 पूछ नहीं रहा ना. 7 तो नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज आएगा, वो नंबर ऑफ रोज पूछ रहा है. Which one? Now I tell you what to do in this question. You have 21 mango tree, 42 apple tree, 56 orange tree. Have to be planted in rows such that each row contain the same number of tree of one variety only. Same number of tree. Either you can put 1 mango tree, 1 mango tree, 1 apple tree, हर row में एक. But then you will have maximum number of row. You have 21 mango tree, you have 42 apple, 56 orange. Tell me, if you have 21 mango tree and you have to put this mango tree in row, can you put multiple of 21 in your row? है ही नहीं, लाओगे कहां से? जब मैंगो ट्री 21 है तो what you can put? less factor HCF. आपको मैंगो ट्री रो में डिवाइड करने, तो आप रो में कितने लगा सकेंगे? 21 से कम नंबर. तो वी विल पुट 7 here, 3 here, 6 here, 8. You have to read question carefully. There can be two different questions. Same thing. You have 21 mango, 42 apple, 56 orange tree. They might ask what are the maximum number of tree you can plant. यहाँ पे दो चीजें लिखो. दो चीजें पूछी जा सकती है. What is the maximum number of tree? Which you can plant in one row. Number of tree को maximize कितना? 7. You can put 7 mango, 7 mango, 7 mango. You can put 7 apple, 7 apple, 7 apple, 7 apple, 7 apple, 7 oranges tree. So that each row have same variety of tree and you have same number of tree in each row. Second question they will ask, what is the minimum number of row? Either you take long method कि भाई 21 mango tree, so you can put 3 row of mango, 7 7 7. You have 42 apple tree, So you can put 7, 7 tree in one row. It means you can have 6 row of apple. Similarly, orange. But I tell you, this method give you both the answer. This 7 is for number of tree. This 3 are the row of mango. This 6 are the row of apple. These are the 8 are the row of orange. भाई ये 7 3s are 21, ये 3 है क्या? These are the 3 row of mango trees. These are the 6 rows of apple tree. These are the 8 rows of orange tree. So how many number of row we can have? 3 plus 6 plus 8, 9 plus 8, 70. इसमें आपके दोनों आंसर आ रहे हैं, नंबर ऑफ ट्री ऑल्सो, नंबर ऑफ रो ऑल्सो. HCF. Highest common factor is 7. There is a online doubt कि minimum बोल रहा है. See here, I have 70 student in this class. If I put one student in one row, that give me the maximum number of row. अगर मुझे रो मिनिमाइज करनी है तो आई हैव टू पुट मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट इन वन रो. भाई मुझे अगर रो मिनिमम करनी है तो एक रो में ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट डालने होंगे. तो एक रो में ज्यादा ट्री कितने डाल सकते हो? 7. तो जितने ज्यादा ट्री आप एक रो में डाल पाएंगे, नंबर ऑफ रो विल मिनिमाइज. इफ यू पुट लेस नंबर ऑफ ट्री इन रो, देन रो विल बी मैक्सिमम रो. बट इफ यू कैन पुट मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ट्री इन रो, नंबर ऑफ रो विल मिनिमाइज. So here minimum number of rows are asked, which will be 3 rows of mango, 6 rows of apple, 8 rows of orange. इसको सेटिस्फाई करते हुए, क्वेश्चन को सेटिस्फाई करते हुए, क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ो. 21 mango tree, 42 apple tree, 56 orange tree have to be planted in row such that each row contains same number of trees of one variety each. What are the maximum number of tree you can plant in one row? Minimum तो you can plant one tree. अब एक ट्री लगा लोगे कम से कम. मैक्सिमम कितने लगा सकते हो? 7 ओनली. क्योंकि 7 से ज्यादा लगाओगे तो कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. टू सेटिस्फाई द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Find the largest number which divide. It is same like earlier, but इसमें आंसर अलग है. 1305, 4665, 6905, leaving same remainder in each case, and also find the common remainder also. So we have already find the largest number, which is 1120. So what is the largest number? 1120. What will the remainder? Remainder last में 5 वैसे ही आ रहा है, तो 185. तो your answer is divisor 1120, remainder 185. It is same question of question number 8. ठीक है, 8 में पूछ रहा था what is the number. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में पूछ रहा है नंबर प्लस रिमाइंडर. सेम क्वेश्चन, भूल गए? Exactly same question, same value. In question number 8, they are asking what is the number n, so that sum of the digit of n is asked. Whereas in question number 13, they ask the number and they ask the remainder also. Next type of question is from question number 15 onward. And this is one of the favorite style of UPSC. Like school days, your school timing, like for example, 8 AM to 2 PM. ठीक है? And examiner is saying there are 4 periods of 45 minutes each, for example. And there is a gap of certain time in between. या ये बोल देते हैं your school start at 8 AM and you have 4 periods of different subject of 45 minutes each, and between 2 periods there is a break of 15 minutes. Some students, they do one common mistake. They think there will be 4 period and 4 gap. There is a period of 45 minutes and there are 4 period, and every 2 period having a gap of 15 minutes. So your school start here, so there is a period of 45 minutes. then there is a gap of 15 minutes, then there is a second period of 45 minutes, then there is a gap, then there is a third period, then there is a gap, then there is a fourth period. Some student, and this is the common mistake, and many students they have done that type of mistake in 2022 के पेपर में also. See here, they think there will be 4 period and 4 gap. Now you tell me, after this 4 period will you wait for the gap? नहीं, आप कुछ और प्लानिंग करोगे, या तो घर जाओगे या किसी और के घर जाओगे, घर तो जाओगे. तो 4 period and 3 gap एक कम होगा इसमें. Similarly, that frog type of question, in daytime frog climb, in night sleep back, next day climb, night sleep back, climb, sleep back. So the last time here that frog will climb only, will be on the top and will stop there. Last case में वो slip down नहीं करेगा. And similar question asked in 2022 prelims, where student they have done mistake, and the question is this, question number 40. On one side of a 1.01 kilometer long road, 101 plants are planted at equal distance from each other. What is the total distance between 5 consecutive plants? तो स्टूडेंट ने क्या किया, 1.01 किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया, फिर इसको 101 से डिवाइड किया, they got 10 meter. They thought 2 consecutive plant have a distance of 10 meter. They multiplied with 5. They mark answer 50 meter, which was a wrong answer. ठीक है, काफी सारे आंसर रॉन्ग मार्क किए थे, कईयों ने 40.4 मार्क किया, कईयों ने 40 मीटर मार्क किया. तो many students they have done mistake in this question. Now you tell me, there is a road of 1 kilometer and 10 meter, where you are planting 101 tree with gap. When you plant 2 tree, how many gap you have? 1. When you plant 3 tree, how many gap you have? 2. When you plant 4 tree, how many gap you have? 3. When you plant 101 tree, how many gap you have? 100. Number of gap here are 100. So 1010 will have 100 gap. It means every 2 consecutive tree will have a gap of 10.1 meter. Number of tree are 101, but gaps are 100. So what is the gap between 2 tree? We have 10.1 meter. Then they ask, फिर उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा, what is the total distance between 5 consecutive plant? 5 consecutive plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here some student they have done mistake, they multiplied with 5 and they got answer 50.5. भाई there will be gap 4 gap. अगर 5 ट्री हैं तो 4 गैप होंगे, and each gap is of 10.1, तो 4 multiply with 10.1. So your correct answer is 40.4 meter. So here correct answer is 40.4 meter. Many students they mark answer 50, 50.5. But if you see, if there are 101 tree, 100 gaps are there. Each gap will of 10.1 meter. In 5 tree there will be 4 gap. So what is the distance between 5 consecutive tree? Will be 4 into 10.1, which is 40.4 meter. It is same style. आप देख लेना पिछले 2011 से from 2011 to 2022 में 4-5 times this concept is used. Gap will be 1 less. If there are 4 period and in between 2 period there is a gap, gap will be 3. If there are 101 tree, तो gap will be 100. There will not be 101 gap. क्योंकि अब पहले से लास्ट तक ही, पहले और लास्ट में तो ट्री होगा ना, बीच में गैप होंगे. Next is question number 15. A frog tries to come out of a dried well of 4.5 meter deep with slippery wall. Every time the frog jumps 30 centimeter and the slide down 15 centimeter. What is the number of jump required for the frog to come out of the well? I tell you what you have done earlier, उसकी बजाय हम reverse करेंगे इसमें. I tell you one method which will take less time. There is a well of depth 4.5 meter. And this frog climbed 30 centimeter and slipped back 15 centimeter. फ्रॉग वाले क्वेश्चन में कंसेप्ट क्या होता है? लास्ट टाइम में द फ्रॉग जस्ट क्लाइंब. फ्रॉग क्या होगा? स्लिप डाउन नहीं करेगा. तो इन द लास्ट टाइम देयर इज ओनली ए जंप ऑफ हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर? 30 सेंटीमीटर. तो इट मींस this 4 meter and 20 centimeter and this 30 centimeter you break in two part. लास्ट वाला स्टेप पहले सोच लो. सबसे लास्ट वाले स्टेप में 30 सेंटीमीटर विल बी कवर्ड. तो रिमेनिंग 420 सेंटीमीटर में उसका ड्रामा चलेगा. जंप स्लिप जंप स्लिप जंप स्लिप. दिस 30 सेंटीमीटर ओनली जंप. यहाँ पे सिर्फ जंप करेगा. हियर जंप एंड स्लिप जंप एंड स्लिप जंप एंड स्लिप. तो हियर क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? ए फ्रॉग कम आउट ऑफ ड्राई वेल. एवरी टाइम द फ्रॉग जंप 30 सेंटीमीटर स्लिप डाउन 15 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ जंप रिक्वायर्ड? तो हियर वन जंप 30 स्लिप डाउन 15 इफेक्टिवली एबल टू कवर ओनली 15 सेंटीमीटर. टू कवर 420 सेंटीमीटर effectively covering 15 centimeter, how many jump and slip he has to do? 28 plus 1. तो he has to make 29. जिस काफी सारे स्टूडेंट, बट अब तो ये ट्रिक सबको पता चल गई. एक मैजिशियन आता है, एक मैजिक दिखाता है, नया नया होता है, अच्छा लगता है. अब ये फ्रॉग वाला क्वेश्चन सबको पता है कि हाँ लास्ट टाइम में सिर्फ फ्रॉग जंप करेगा. ठीक है, तो अब सबको पता है कि लास्ट टाइम में देयर विल बी. And in this type of question, now we have seen less number of students they do mistake. कुछ होते हैं ना बेवकूफ, उसको सेम मैजिक बार बार दिखाओ तो भी मजा आता है उसको, और मैजिक ट्रिक पता लगने के बाद भी. तो वो पता भी है फ्रॉग वाले क्वेश्चन में होगा ये कि लास्ट में फ्रॉग सिर्फ जंप करेगा, स्लिप नहीं करेगा. स्टिल दे डू द मिस्टेक. 450 डिवाइडेड बाय 15, 30 जंप. भाई लास्ट टाइम तो सिर्फ जंप कर रहा है, स्लिप डाउन थोड़ी ना करेगा. So here 28 plus 1 29. I repeat what I have done. लास्ट वाले स्टेप को सबसे पहले हैंडल किया. 30 सेंटीमीटर ओनली जंप. रिमेनिंग 420 सेंटीमीटर जंप स्लिप. Effectively covering 15 centimeter. 420 at the rate of 15 required 28 jump plus 1 jump in the last. So effectively in 29 jump that frog will be out of the well. Now they have asked this question. Question number 16, take your time. There are 3 pillars. X, Y, Z of different height. 3 spider A, B, C start to climb on this pillar simultaneously. In one's chance, A climb on X by 6 centimeter but slip down 1 centimeter. B climb on Y by 7 centimeter but slip down 3 centimeter. C climb on Z by 6.5 centimeter but slip down 2 centimeter. In each of them, if each of them require 40 chances to reach the top of the pillar, what is the height of the shortest pillar? 160. Which pillar? Y. What is the height of X? And what is the height of Z? How many of you find height of X, Y, Z, all three pillar? वो धमाल मूवी देखी है ना, सामने लाल बटन दिख रहा है, अरे दबा दिया, नहीं दबाना. You have to apply your mind. देखो, if you find height of X, height of Y, height of Z, you will take triple time. पहले दिमाग लगा लो, 1/3 टाइम में क्वेश्चन हो जाना है. See here, there are 3 spider A, B, C climbing on 3 pillar X, Y, Z. 3 पिलर है, 1 X, second Y, third Z. If the spider A climbs 6 centimeters, slip down 1. तो effectively climb 5. Spider B climbs 7 and slip down 3. तो effectively climb 4. This is 6.5 and 2 back 4.5. You have to multiply with 39, 40 something. तो इसको 40 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 200 के आसपास, इसको 40 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 160, 180. Why to find this? Why to find this? क्योंकि ये सबसे छोटी छोटी हाइट जा रहा है. Logically, if you think the pillar Y and whereas spider B is climbing only, who is climbing the less distance in one attempt? B on pillar Y. So logically, can we say Y will have the shortest height? Y to find X, Y to find Z. And we know the concept, क्या कहता है कि there is 40 times 40 chances to reach. So can we say our concept is 39 times it will jump and slip down, so it will climb 156, and whereas in the last only climb plus 7, so 163 is the height of the shortest pillar. Next is question number 17. It is a previous year question. This is simple question they have asked. 2022 का ही question है. 2 person A and B are running on a circular track. At the start, B is ahead of A and their position make an angle of 30 degree. It is degree. Question mark को degree बना लो. Sorry. 2 person A and B are running on a circular track. At the start, B is ahead of A and their position make an angle of 30 degree at the center of the circle. When A reaches the point diametrically opposite to his starting point, he meets B. What is the ratio of the speed of A and B if they are running with uniform speed? B is ahead of A. This is A here. And B is ahead of A in such a way they make an angle of 30 degree at center. When A reaches diagonally opposite, B reaches here. जितनी देर में A यहां से यहां जा रहा है, B यहां से यहां जा रहा है. You read carefully. When A reaches the point diametrically opposite to his starting point, he meets B. जैसे A opposite गया वो B को मिला. What is the ratio of speed of A and B if they are running with uniform speed? It is a question of if time is constant, distance is directly proportional to speed. If